How to disable biometric login in HDFC app. First of all, open your HDFC Mobile Banking app and log in using your existing fingerprint or your customer ID and password or MPIN. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. Scroll down and tap on your profile, then select Security Center. Here you will find several options. Tap on Manage Login Method. Now you will see the fingerprint login option that is currently enabled. Simply tap on it to turn it off. Once you confirm the action, you will get a message saying that fingerprint login has been successfully disabled. Now, log out of the app and you will notice that fingerprint icon is no longer available on the login screen. From now on, you will need to use your customer ID and password or MPIN to log in. And that's it. Now you know how to disable biometric login in HDFC app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.